Hey, how we doing, my business owner? How's everything? Quick update. You're really gonna love this right here. This is something that you want to take advantage. You really want to understand your retirement plan for business owner. You can maximize your tax saving and secure your future with your 401k. Now they got some update, and I really want to take time to give you this great news, because remember, if you're keeping some profit, you'll be able to, kind of secure your future, and you'll be able to have some money when you retire, or you can avoid all these taxes and you can reinvest that money. Now, if you be able to be under 50 years old, you'll be able to contribute up to 66,000. You as a business owner can do up to 66,000. All right, that will be the limit. Now, if you older, you over 50, you'll be able to do up to 73,500, including catch-up contribution. All right. So remember this right here, this key benefit that you'll be able to really reduce your taxable income. This is huge, because remember, you'll be able to park this money in your 401k, and you don't have to worry about the tax you on that money. All right. This is great. It wasn't like that before. Now the new changes, take advantage of this. I always like to talk to my business owner. Good, good. You're making some profit. Now, if you're not making profit, you don't have to worry. And I want you to make profit. I want you really invest your money and double and triple and all these great things. Now, another one that's huge, travel and meals. Now you'll be able to do up to 100% of business travel and meal. It used to be 50%. And they got all these table and regulation. Now you can use, remember, if it's business related and you need to go to Las Vegas for training, let's say you're a trucker and you're driving up there and you need to really get or your meal, your log, you remember to log every single item while you're working. And remember, another one that sometimes people doesn't get it, sometimes they want to mix vacation with business. At least you need to have some type of proof that you work more than 4 hours, more than 4 hours. All right, this is huge, because you're able to write off the whole entire 100% on travel and meals. All right. Another one that is really excited for me too is this one. I know some of you guys. I know it's 3 cents, but remember, let's say you have to go to New York every single day to work as a business owner, seeing different meetings. Let's say you do have your truck that you have to go to New York every single day to do some work over there, see your team member, anything related with miles, you got up to 70 cents per mile. Remember, 100 miles from the office to New York, 100 miles, $70 right there. Now you got to go back to the office again. That's another $70. So take advantage of this. This is great. Remember, I'm here for my business owner. I want to make sure you guys understand this, because a lot of time by the end of the year, you don't have a log, you don't have all the paperwork in place, and that's what we're here for. I want to make sure you keep in track. There's so many different apps that you can use. There's so many different platforms that you can log every business mile, and you'll be able to write up a decent amount chunk things. Remember, sometimes I have a business owner that don't drive much. Marlon, what should I do? Keep all your receipt or your chain, tire, anything related. Now, if you know you're not doing more than 5,000 miles for the year, yeah, keep all your receipt. Any maintenance I should do with that truck, with that auto, that car, please do that. Now, if you know you're doing 10,000, 14,000, 20,000 miles a year, especially for the Uber driver, these are huge chunk that you'll be able to deduct from your taxable income. All right. So, in case you got any question, we're here for you. I'll try my best to give you the best advice. That way, you'll be able to plan. Planning is the key. When you're planning for your business, you'll be able to see it clear by December 31st. Why I'm gonna end it up that I have some profit. I'll be able to get all my deduction. That's exactly what I like to teach, coach my business owner. So have a great day. Enjoy. Many blessings. Talk to you soon. Bye bye.